year the mercury begins to fall, and shadows from an early sunset drowse in twilight mystical. Now's the time when magic twinkles line the eyes on every face, a wondrous season filled with joy and friendship by the fireplace. Windows are sparkling on Michigan Avenue, gingerbread halos to brighten the dark. Tiny white glitters reflect off the icicles clinging to maples along Lakeshore Drive. Kids near O'Hare keep an eye in the air for reindeer and jolly Saint Nick to arrive. Christmas in Chicago.
Buckingham Fountain
And snowflakes along Navy Pier. Thrift to your feet as you glide down the street, wishing all Merry Christmas this year. Join on. Feel how romance can grow under the mistletoe when the bells in the carillon ring. This is the season when smiles are contagious. Spread them from Wabash to Wheaton and then rolls round again. Christmas in Chicago, hear the carols in your heart, the rumble of the alley swell when holiday greetings start. Drift to your feet as you glide down the street, wishing all